Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another Air Fryer Tuesday, where we cook things in the air fryer, name brands, frozen food, and much more. So let's go right to the air fryer, and this is from Hot Pockets, the Philly cheesesteak. Alright YouTube, so put the Hot Pocket in there, lay it flat, make sure you don't use the cardboard sleeve, stick it in there. And you're going to want to do it at 360 at 10 minutes. So about 4 minutes, we'll stop it and we'll flip it over. Alright YouTube, so it's been about halfway. So just flip that over so the other side can get done. You want to push this in and let it go for another 4 minutes at 360, and then we're eating. Alright YouTube, so there it is, your Hot Pocket Philly cheesesteak. Let's just cut it open and see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like, YouTube. It's really hard to pick this up because it's so hot. But look at the cheese and the steak. So if you like air fryer recipes, you like to see food cooked in there, please subscribe and hit like. And on Air Fryer Tuesdays, we see a new product every week. Love you, Dan Soy Cook. Bye-bye.